welcome to my channel. Right, today it's going to be something different because tomorrow is my middle daughter's birthday and she's going to be 26, and I've decided I'm going to print a mug for her. I bought this infusible ink that goes with the Cricut, and I'm going to try and print a mug out for her. I got some mugs off of, I think it was Amazon or eBay, I'm not 100% sure. Got them ages ago. I bought a box of 30. They come already in the little box, and that's the mug there. And these are suitable, I think, for infusible ink. I have used them before, and I've cut iron-on laminate sheets out with wording on, and I've stuck it on the mugs before for other people's birthdays, but this time I was going to try the infusible ink. So I'm now going to go on to Design Space and see what I can find. Right, so I'm going to look into projects and I'm going to type mugs. Get some ideas, and let me look through. I want something that says she's the boss. Let's put it up here, shall we? Lady Boss mugs. Ah, that looks nice. Boss lady. I think we'll go for that. Right, so I don't want to do that, so I'm going to customize it because I don't want to do the card. It's thinking about it. Here we are. So I want to get rid of all this bit. So get rid of that. And then we have Boss Lady. And I'm going to do that all in one colour. So we'll go for, we'll say gold, but it's probably not going to be gold. But at least it's all one colour. Right, so now we go on to make it. Now, because it's infusible ink, we will need to mirror it. So we put mirror and it turns it round. I don't know if you could see that. So there. So then we continue. And here we're going to browse materials. And we're going to choose infusible inks. And it's saying make sure you've mirrored it, which we have. So now we need to put the sheets on the mats. So we use my standard green mat, which needs a clean. As you can see, it could do with a good clean. So let's open this. Here we are, it's in this black container, not quite sure why. Don't know if that's to protect it. We shall see. Never used this before, so hopefully I won't mess it up. There we are. So we have got mermaid, which is very nice. We have got stripes. We've got plain blue. And we should have another colour. Right, okay, so I think we're going to go for, I'm going to go for this one. So I do need to check, because I've put it down like that, but that could be wrong. So I'm going to quickly check. I've put it straight on there, and now I'm going to put it into the machine. So I'm going to do that like that. Keeps wanting to come away from that. It's not sticking very well. Right, so I don't know if you can see that. So now we're going to cut that and take that off. Right. That comes off. So I think we now cut that off. And now I think we need to weave off right, so we need to remove the negative pieces of the design. So we're just left with what we want to keep. So we need to get that away from this plastic at the back here. It's really fiddly. Now it seems to me that this, has this cut? Yes. So so as you can see, I'm pulling that off and I'm hopefully left with the letters. Really fiddly.
You still filming?
Yeah. But it's looking how it should be. This is, like I say, this is the first time I've used the infusible ink. But this is probably the easy bit. Is getting it onto the cup is probably going to be more complicated. So now I need to get the centre of the O out, which is really difficult. And the centre of the B out. Oh, that one come out better. And then the L. straight line has gone a bit wonky here. Right, so here we are. So, and that's the way it is there. So, next, right, well this should be interesting. So, we want this here. So, we put it on here. And now we need to put it in our heat press. There, so I'll put it on there and we're going to go and put it on the heat press. Right, so we have got the design on the mug with the transfer sheet, and I've done another one on the back here. So that is all on. So I'm now going to put in the heat press. So you could do it with a mini iron, a Cricut iron if you wanted to, but I've actually got a mug press, so I'm going to put it in that. You do need to make sure that these mugs are clean. They recommend cleaning with alcohol. I've just sort of given it a dust down. Also, they have to be sublimation mugs. It's difficult to pronounce. But yeah, so I'm going to put this in here now. So it's done, and then I'm going to switch it on. And I'm going to set the temperature for 400 degrees. The time is going to be 3 minutes, that's it. So it should be counting down. For some reason it's going up. I don't know if it goes up. Don't quite understand, but we shall see. Right, I think that means it's done. So we'll turn it off and we'll open it up. Right. The handle's not hot, so that's good. The mug is hot. So I can find some tweezers. Not sure if you're meant to let it cool or not. Wow, there we are. That's come off. And that's come off. So there we have it. We've got EP for Emma Page, and then we've got Boss Lady. Oh, so when that cools down a bit, I'll see if I can get that bit of glue or what. Oh, it's just dust. So yeah, so I'm chuffed with that. So that's going to be her birthday mug. So I'm really pleased with that. That worked out well. Okay, well thanks for watching, and bye for now.